International Anti-Corruption Day, 9th December. International Anti-Corruption Day is celebrated worldwide under the observance of the United Nations on 9th December every year to raise public awareness of corruption and what people can do to fight it. Objective: the main objective of the day is to eliminate corruption to make a way for a prosperous society in the whole world. Significance: according to an estimate, every year around $1 trillion or about 70 lakh crores rupees is given as bribe every year. At the same time, about 300 lakh crore rupees are stolen every year through corruption, which is about 5% of the world's GDP. Hence, it is important for everyone to take action against corruption. History: in December 2003, the first step to fight against international corruption was taken by the United Nations by passing the United Nations Convention Against Corruption. It was drafted on 31st October 2003. UNCAC is a treaty between UN member states which was signed on 9 December and came into effect from 14 December 2005. The aim of this treaty was to legally bind the members of the states to work in reducing corruption and enforce law and order. 5 points were explained in the agreement. They are: to take necessary steps for preventing corruption, enforcing law and order, for reducing corruption corporate at the international level, recovery of asset and its return to the country of origin, to provide technical assistance and exchange of information. The headquarters of UNCAC is located at Merida and New York. The Secretary General of the United States acts as the depository, and the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime is the secretary to the meetings of the state parties. On 9 December 2006, the first International Anti-Corruption Day was observed in India by signing the UN Convention Against Corruption. What is corruption? According to the UN, corruption is a serious crime that can undermine social and economic development in all societies. No country, region, or community is immune from corruption. It is found in all parts of the world, whether it is political, social, or economic, which threatens and undermines the democratic institutions, contributes the governmental instability, and slows down the economic development. In other words, we can say that corruption is dishonest and fraudulent conduct by those in power, typically involving bribery, or corruption is the abuse of entrusted power for private gain and can occur in several forms. It corrodes the fabric of society and takes people's freedom, health, money, and sometimes their lives. Observance: International Anti-Corruption Day is a time for political leaders, governments, legal bodies, and lobby groups to work together against corruption by promoting the day and the issue that surrounds this event. On this day, anti-corruption advocates organize events to engage the general public to effectively fight against corruption and fraud in communities. Other activities that promote the day include musicals and plays to publicize the message of fighting against corruption, keynote speeches by those who were victims of corruption or fought against it, essay competitions on issues surrounding the topic of corruption, the dissemination of posters, flyers, and other materials to increase awareness level on corruption. Some organizations hold special recognition ceremonies to pay tribute to people and projects that provide assistance to nation and communities in the battle against corruption.